So apparently this is a 2019 Infiniti Q50 3.0T. Dudes is trying to break out, I guess, but they stole, I guess what they needed, I would assume. They took the start button, the whole ignition, the middle piece, the console and shit. I guess they came in here for something, I don't know, but for you to tow this vehicle, right? Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. There's no start button, as you can see, you know, so how you gonna put this car in neutral, right? You see, I already put it in neutral, but I just wanna show you guys something. Always make sure that your e-brake is on, because we're on a hill right now. So, if this is all taken apart, this piece right here goes down. See this, watch. Oh, it goes down. Press here, see that go down right there? Press it, and it moves, and it shifts, right? Park, reverse, neutral. You see that? Let it go. But make sure it's on e-brake, and then you tie her up from underneath. Once you tie her up, you load her. So being that I ain't got my full body camera today, I'm gonna give you bits and pieces of the video, put it together, and show you how Sam gets it done. Appreciate you guys. God bless. Look. This is the tow hook right here. This is what we call a tow hook. But I can't get back there. You feel me? Being I can't get back there, we're gonna go underneath so we can pull her. Look at all of that. Can't get to the trunk to get it, so we're gonna go underneath so I can hook her and we book her. So in this one, show your boy appreciation, man. I'm teaching you how to secure the bag the right way. Please like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys, man. "2019. This had to be a rookie who did this. Fucking stole everything but the what's the more important part. Boom. So like, and here, right? You want to keep it straight, so when you unload the vehicle, it doesn't, it can go right into the spot, wherever you put it in her. So what you want to do is, so she don't roll back on you or doesn't move forward on you, when you bring the bed up, right? You know, the important part, e-brake, right? Put her back in park. As you can see, she don't move. The only way to do that is pushing this down and putting her into neutral. So yeah, they will see her still in shit, but we don't do that. We living righteously, baby. Securing the bag the right way. Forward. Okay. Pick her up. What I always do is to make sure she's tight in the front. Bring her down a little bit. Watch the front. Watch. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, please like, subscribe. And that's how who? Sam gets it done. Appreciate you guys. God bless.